So here's how to change region in eFootball 2025. So first off, let's open up the eFootball application on your device. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. So once you're in the eFootball application, go over to the top and tap on Extras. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Tap on User Information from here. Then select the first option, which is User Personal Information. Once you're here, you will get to see an option that says Country or Region of Residence. Here, as you can see, it is currently set as Other Countries and Regions. This section might be automatically updated according to your physical location, but if you want to change it, you can always use a VPN and connect it to your desired location. That way, your eFootball location will be changed accordingly. And that is exactly how to change region in eFootball.